Hello beautiful people, and this is Naim again. Welcome to my Naim Escape YouTube channel, and thank you for staying with me. And today this is my new vlog, and I'm gonna sharing something beautiful things about my village. Okay, today I will just try to expose that how a Bangladeshi farmers and other peoples cultivates on their fields. This is our today's topic, and okay, stay with me and just enjoy some natural views. Hey guys, now I have reached in our today's targeted place where exactly I will try to show you our something new, that how people exactly works on their paddy fields. Okay, now we are watching something here that there is a table for resting at the time when people get exhausted a lot. So that's why, and okay, look at this, and this is the small and tiny tools where exactly people come over here. People come over here and just try to take a breath. Okay, that's the process. Okay, and we are just trying to get these people who are exactly walking on their paddy fields. Okay, stay with me. Hey guys, according to our Bangladeshi cultures, our Bangladeshi people just try to cultivate their rice and other vegetables on their fields in a various types of way. So you may watch my video on YouTube from any countries. That doesn't make any sense that everything never got same with you and me. But I'm just trying to expose that what actually happening in our Bangladesh and our Bangladeshi people, so how actually they cultivate on the fields. Okay, these are some kinds of land, and of course you are also watching some beautiful cloudy sky and of the surrounded some homes and other peoples are watching me. Of course you are watching some peoples far away, but that doesn't make any sense. Also, okay, I'm just gonna share more informations about this, like you can enjoy. Guys, this is very good news that we have got our today's targeted people who are actually walking on his paddy fields. Okay, and now we will just go to him and we will ask some questions and how exactly he works on his field and how many steps should he take for his proper work. So if maybe you are not or you won't be able to watch this guy from here. Okay, let me watch. Okay guys, you may not watch this guy because he is staying far away from me. Okay, I'm just trying to watch you by zooming my camera. Okay, look at this guy. Okay, he's working on his field. Okay, it's something blurry, but no problem. I just would go to him and I will just ask a few questions about his today's all about that day and how exactly he works on field. Okay, let's go to him. Hey guys, look at this mini what is this? Its name? I exactly don't know what's the name of it. It's a vehicles. Okay, I'm just trying to show you that how beautiful is the evening road of my village. Okay, look, someone is walking over there, but also I will just let you to scenario, and this is especially magnificent, and already some motorcycle is coming forward to me. Okay, and this, okay, look at this, and we'll just go to forward for watch something new. Okay, exactly we are going to these people who are actually working on his field. Okay, look and enjoy this scenario. Hey guys, as I have come over here, and after coming here I am having some issues and problems, because when I have just reached on the place and I got surprised that and there is huge wet soil and some clay, it could be mud that, okay, but nothing to do I have, and notwithstanding huge barriers, no problem, I will just go there and take an interview from him. Okay, just stay with me, I'm gonna him. Hey guys, look at this, and this is the problem. Okay, so but I don't have anything. Okay, I will just take my shoes on my hand, and after that I'm trying to go ahead on that. Okay, there are some problem. Some water. This water is something hot, and there are some other issues as it is the rainy season in our Bangladesh. But no problem, we are getting something new. Okay, these are some paddy fields. Of course, these are at the beginning level. Okay, look at this, and here is our today's targeted people, and here we go. I don't know exactly how could I start my conversation with this guy, because I don't exactly know these people who is walking over there. Assalamu alaikum. Palasen. Okay, firstly, I have just tried to start my conversation with something new, that he is the people and who is walking here. না এটা অন্য কোনো কিছু না, এমনি একটা ভিডিও বানাইছি আর কি, মানে খেতে খাওয়ানো যে মানুষ কাজ করে এগুলা নিয়ে। Okay guys, I'm just trying to denote him that I'm making some videos for my YouTube channels or other documentaries, and I will just upload there. Okay, বড় ভাই আমি তোমার মেহমান ন, আপনাদের বাড়ি কোথায়? Okay, I have just asked this guy that where his home locations. Okay, and he said that his home is in Lokhiphur, in Chattogram. Okay, that is located in এটা কি চিরাঙ্গনা? লক্ষ্মীপুর কি চিরাঙ্গনা? Of course, this is located on Chattogram, in Lokhiphur. Okay, আপনার নাম কি ভাই? Johir. Okay, this guy's name is Johir. So he looks something in a muddy way, because he is working in his paddy fields, and after taking that rice seedlings from this field, and then he will go his other locations, because after taking this he will just try to again and and put it on the another field. That's the process. Okay. Hey guys, I am too much exhausted because you are watching my situation in my process because everything has been go out of my hands. And okay, nevertheless, I'm just trying to watch you, this guy who is walking behind of me, of course, and our other peoples are trying to know that where is the exact location of that place. Okay, no problem. And day by day, as I'm making some videos on YouTube, no problem. I'll just try to expose all about the things here. Yeah, these are completely in a fatty field. Those are completely muddy, in a wet soil. All of the things are has gone out of my hand. Okay, I'm just almost gonna this place in the hot water where exactly I don't have any other things. Okay, I'm just going to my before where I were. Okay, this is the problem, and firstly we had in that place. Okay, look at this. Now we have come back our previous things. Okay, bye. Hey guys, that's all and I have just tried to show you something new on fatty fields, and I just consulted with a farmer, and also I just tried to show up a little bit of natural views, a scenario of my village, and then finally I have rested in my house, and this is my house way, and I will just go to my home, and after entering that I gotta go on the bank of pond because my legs situation is completely out of my hand. There is huge muddy on my legs. So these are the problems. Okay, stay with me. Yeah, my friend, I am back again, and of course you are watching me that I have washed my both legs and hands, also my faces, because when I just went to the fatty fields and there was huge hot, and that's why I was sweltering a lot. So that's are the main topics that I just tried to show of my audiences. Okay, and now I am at the end of my today's vlog. So of course, if my vlogs looks very good to you, and if my vlogs can show something special for you, especially village lives, so then you can put on your comment on my YouTube channel, and of course make sure to like, comment, share and subscribe, and stay with me. Thanks for watching my video. Thank you so much.